mission of our lab is to transform the world through deep research. Microsoft chose Cambridge because Cambridge is a world centre of excellence and it's a real hub of innovation with many entrepreneurs and many startups. We look at opportunities in a whole range of areas, including artificial intelligence, gaming, the future of work, confidential computing, the infrastructure of the cloud, and healthcare and life sciences. We have a very bright and open environment in this lovely building. I think it creates a lot of energy. It brings people together. People get excited. We have lovely spaces in the lab where people can relax, play games, enjoy a cup of coffee, have lunch together. We bring together cross-disciplinary teams of scientists, engineers, designers, people from many different fields who work together on a shared goal of having impact in the real world.
The best thing about working here is the chance to do deeply ambitious research in a company which has been transforming the world of work for many decades. In our work on the future of work, we aspire to create a world in which work is more fulfilling and where we have strong partnerships between people and machines in ways that play to the strengths of both.
How do we keep data for the next 100, 200 years? How do we make sure that as a civilization, as humanity, we don't lose knowledge through not being able to store it? The technology that we invent here, we hope will go on and will be used by millions or billions of people whenever they use our cloud.
I work here because I love doing research with a view towards having both technical as well as societal impact, especially in healthcare, where the potential for impact is very exciting. In a safety-critical domain such as healthcare, we need to build systems that are trusted by humans. And trusted in this setting means AI that is reliable, transparent, fair, ethical, and secure. Thanks to the digitization of healthcare assets, to put it very simply, big healthcare data, there's a huge opportunity for AI to revolutionize healthcare.
I just get to work with such a diverse range of people. One day I'm talking to the folks in the wet lab about computing biology, experiments with cells and DNA. The next day I'm talking to machine learning researchers about training up AI agents that can play with you in video games. In game intelligence, what we're trying to do is really transform the landscape of video games. So think about coming across characters in the game that are more human-like, that are emotional, that can form bonds with you, to thinking about generating exciting new landscapes, generating entire games using AI.
I want to change the world, so I feel very empowered to change the world here. Our society is dependent on computers for almost everything. So I think it's crucially important to make sure that our computer systems are trustworthy and to make sure that we protect them from attacks. In the confidential computing theme, we aim to make sure that Azure, our cloud, has the highest levels of security and privacy in the world.
AI has seen amazing success in the analysis of images, of text, of speech. One of the things that the All Data AI theme seeks to do is to extend the range, the shape of the data that we can handle. Data types such as molecules, graphs, complex interactive networks.
Here at Microsoft Research, we really focus our energies on having impact in the real world at scale. We come together in these cross-disciplinary teams with huge ambition to improve the lives of millions of people.